Welcome back. So this time around we are going to be working on pictures. We will be working on insert pictures, cropping, and the resizing of picture. Inserting a picture in Word, cropping the picture, then resizing the picture. So now here we go. So to insert the picture, so we go to the home tab, then click on insert and click on the insert. So this is pictures now. Insert picture. From where is it? From photo or camera? Let me assume I want to do a camera. Make a camera. So this is my phone. This is the back. So let me switch to the front. Support the front. There's no support the front. It only support the back. Let's assume I want to snap this. So the AI is so intelligent that it will automatically crop picture for you. Now I have to click on it. Now as I click on it now, so if I need adjustments, adjust it. Now let me see, this is all I need. Now then I'm gonna confirm it. Then as it is now, is that I crop it when I want to deal with cropping, is that I leave it now, or I also recrop it. I can also recrop it just as what we've done before. So hope you are seeing it. So when I'm done cropping, so confirm. So I can also rotate. If I want to rotate it, you see, rotate. So let me assume this. Then if I want to delete, you can see the delete this thing, you delete it. So I will now say done. When I say done, it's gonna take it inside. Good. You can see this is the picture. Now let me assume that okay, this is our image, right? So as it is now, I might want to, let me say this is image now. Another type of insert, which is a upload. Insert, then picture from photo. This time around I want to insert from photo. So there are several photos here. Let me click on this. Now this is a photo. Done. I'm done. So this photo as it is now, let me assume I want to resize it. I have to click on the photo itself, and I have to click on it. So ways in which I can resize it is this. I can click on any of these 6 dots. If I should click here, you can see it. It shrinks back. If I should click on the down one to the right, you can see it. So it resizes it, and I can take it back to be bigger. If you observe something, you see that it changes states. Before it was here, but now it has gone up. So one thing is that if you're working with image, so this is how you move it. You can move it from place to place. To the next place, it has moved to the next place. Now also is that functionality of this image now is that you can also look at down here. You see this this is a crop. If you want to crop, the first one is for cropping. So that crop now I can resize. Is for resize. Sorry, it's for resizing. So I can resize it such that I will only show the guy in the picture alone. Now let me just do it here. You can see only him is showing now. So now this is resizing. I've done resizing for you. Now I click on it again. If for instance now this image I still want to resize it, I don't want it to show all those items on top and the one below. So sorry, crop that. Good. Now only him is showing. Only him is showing. Now let me resize it. I hope you can see it. So now that I have resized it, so one thing is that I can edit, I can format the frame. Look at the second one now is for formatting. So if I should click on it, it shows me different frames right there. So look, this one now has a shadow background. So you can see it seems it has a shadow background. If I should click on it again, so I click on this formatting again. Let's choose something like this. Yes, good. So I've clicked on it now. You can see it shows it directly. It shows the background, the shadow. Now along the line, what else I have to still show is that as I'm working on it, I can also add some other images and join them together or group them together. So let's work with this one, this down one. Let us resize it. Now it is two. So as it is now, they are overlapping. The previous one has gone to the back, right? What I'm going to do is this. You see this a yellow block, this yellow box with two boxes at both diagonally. So if I should click on it, so the one that is being highlighted, which is the farm maker image, so I have to, if I want to bring it forward now, say bring forward. You can see it, bring it forward. It overlaps the other one. So, and if there is a text maybe in front of text, I want to, like if you watch newspaper, newspaper, you see behind text or you see an image, then at this surrounding that image you see some text around it. So the same thing, this is what is being used, and you can write a text at the front of image. See behind text, then your image, you can rotate them right to left. Let me use the rotate of 90 degree. 90 degree rotation again, 90 degree rotation again. So now let me assume that I want to change it from right to left. Now I click on it, you see right to left, so opposite of what I did before. And also flip horizontally up and down, front. If horizontal will be up to down, so now let me flip, sorry, vertically will be up to down flipping, while horizontally will be right to left. How it means now flip vertically, you can see it. So it's flipped horizontally. So these are how you tweak pictures. Now let me go by the way it is before. Let me go by the way it is before. Now bring it forward. Now as I'm done with this now, so the next thing for me, let me test the one I said, where you add now. This is, you can see this thing now, it cannot stay with documents. Now here, if I want to write it, make it stand behind text. So I've done it. It is behind the text now, but it's not showing. So now this aspect, you see this arrow, cycle, semicircle with this thing, is where you wrap your image. You can wrap it with text, in line with text. Yes, you can see it. I have wrapped it with text, and also you can make it square. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. When you are working with newspaper, you see something like this. Can you see? You want to write about yourself, you draw your pictures, you insert your picture, and you type behind it. Simple as ABC. You can still see something like tight. This tight now, you can see front and back, right and left, everywhere. Then another one again through that text, so something can just be going through it anyhow. You can move through the text, top and bottom of the text. So anything text, it goes from up and bottom. Then here too, behind text, good. You can see it shows behind the text. So make sure you tweak between them, then in front of text as well. So this is now in front of text, so you tweak it to see how far you can go. So it's something that is good, that you must know. So then let me use this image as it is now. I want to change the frame, the frame of it. So there's something we call picture effects. No, let's work with style first. So I think I've done with this thing before. Okay, now let's say we want to work with picture effects. Reflection, shadow, it's still the same thing, right? So outer reflection, you can see you can see it. So also you want to add details to your text, maybe before it loads, or at times the location of the image might not show. The alt text with alternative text style is the one that we will use. So like this, and also image of ecologists and ecologists, drafting paper work. So let me mark it as decorative, so that if someone is blind, when you're using so if you're using a text reader, so it will be able to read it. That is what this mark as decorative is being used for. Or mark it. So now I'm done. So enjoy your day. I'm going to stop here. Hope you were able to gain something from it. Have a lovely day.